Layla, you need a shower. Layla, can I have a shower? Come here, child. You know where you're headed. Where are we, Layla? Layla, you can have a shower. The shower. Layla, don't look scared. It's fine. Come here. Come here, that's it. It's gonna be fine, Layla. Come here. I know you don't like a shower, but you're smelly. Layla, you're smelly right now. Yeah? Okay. Layla. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera like here. Okay, let's hope I don't ruin my camera. First, I'll make sure the temperature's nice for you, Layla. That's cold right now. Oh yeah, that's nice. Come on, Layla. There we go. Oh no. Layla, it's okay. Okay, I'll put some soap on her now. Layla. Oh. Okay. Now let's do the soap, Layla. You're my sticky shampoo. Okay, so mix it in really nice and well in your hands. Because she's a little firm. So we need to make sure it gets nice and evenly spread. Come here. That's it, good girl. She likes this. Get the belly, get the chest. This is where all the smell accumulates on my neck and chest and stuff. So sort of scratch it in. She quite likes this massage. Good girl, Layla. And that sort of gets all the soap in there, nice and evenly. I know, Layla, hold on. Get the legs. Good girl, Layla. You're doing well. Okay. Get a little bit more for her neck. Come in. tail is important. That's a good girl. Layla. Good girl. So now we're going to try and leave that in for a minute, aren't we, Layla? But I don't want you to get too cold, so we're just going to leave it in just for like a minute. Yeah, Layla? You look good. Good girl. Good girl. Layla, do you like having a shower? Should you wash it off now, Layla? Yeah? Okay, let's wash it off. Again, make sure it's nice and warm. Not too warm, not too cold. I like to wash her at Dad's house because it's nice and warm in the flat. Because at our house it's all cold, so I like to wash her here in the winter. In the summer it's okay, but in the winter she gets washed just here. Is that nice, Layla? Make sure you get it all off. Try and keep her head up so she doesn't get it in her eyes. That's it, good girl. Good girl, Layla. Oh. Oh my God, bless Layla. Oh, you feel so soft, Layla. It's good, isn't it? Look at that chest. I think that's good now. There we go. Layla. Layla. Layla, you gotta shake. Shake first. Layla. Okay, I'm gonna get her out. You're so wet, Layla. Careful, don't hit yourself. Go! Yeah! Layla, come here. Layla, just switch the camera. Just switch the... Oh my God. Silly Layla. Come here. I just like to get her dry as possible before I let her in the living room. Is that better? Good girl. Come here. Layla. Layla, come here. I think she's ready to go now. Layla. 3, Layla, down! Down! Layla! Layla! Come! You can't wipe yourself on the blanket. Hey! Layla! Come here! Come here, Layla! You can't do that. Come here! Layla, come! Come, that's it. Yeah! Layla, come here. Good girl. Layla. Good girl. Layla, come here. Come. Yeah. Come here, rascal. Good girl. Layla, Layla, Layla. Are you mad at me? She's mad at me. Yeah, she doesn't want to talk about it, do you, Layla? And leave to dry.